This method can help answer key questions in the bispecific antibody field, such as how to produce a bispecific antibody in bacteria and determine the function of the purified antibody. The main advantage of this tactic is that GPC3 aspect can be easily produced and purified from E. coli.
To prepare the periplasmic fraction, first, centrifuge the cell suspension at 4000 G for 30 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius. Then, expel the medium and weigh the cells. After centrifugation, dissolve the cell pellet in 4 milliliters of ice-cold sucrose solution for each gram of cells. Incubate the cell suspension on ice for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, centrifuge the cell suspension at 8500 G for 20 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius. Then, pipette out the supernatant containing the sucrose fraction and store it on ice. Resuspend the cell pellet in ice-cold mixture of 5 millimolar magnesium chloride and 1 millimolar PMSF. Then, add 40 microliters of 15 milligrams per milliliter of the lysosome stock to the cell suspension. After adding the lysosome stock, leave the cell suspension on ice for 30 minutes.